So here's Tomahawk in front of the camera, and he looks really good. The black and the silvers, a little bit of kind of a brownish gold on the shoulders and on the missiles on the top there. Nice head sculpt. You can almost see the eyes under the visor. A little bit of gold across the top of the head. Got light piping. That's good. Got clips here on the forearms for clip-on weapons. His head can rotate 360. His wings can either be up like this or to the back like that. Either way you want it to go. I kind of like him up here. Kind of gives him a different look than most flying vehicles. What the hell is going on with his legs? Anyway, there's a ball joint in the shoulder, so you can pretty close to doing a T-pose. Arms can go 360. There's a bend at the elbow and a rotation there as well. Hands can't rotate, they can only go left and right, and that's mainly to the transformation. No waist swivel, but you can kick up that far. You can kick back that far if you move the rotors. You can super kick. You can almost do the Van Damme splits thing. There's upper thigh swivel. Probably do the mushroom joint that's probably in there somewhere. There's a nice 90-degree bend. And there's a, let's say, hinge here in the, what would be the shin, boot cut, whatever. And his feet can go back and forth to the hinge, pin joint in there in the foot, feet, etc. So, it seems like he's got some pretty decent posability on him. He comes with 2 rocket launchers and missiles. Pretty good punch to him. Never, to all those who don't know, never point one of these directly at your face, because that'll be what's happening. You shoot yourself in the face. That whole, oh, you put your eye out thing from A Christmas Story, that will happen. Trust me. Anyway, put these off to the side. I take Tomahawk here, and we're gonna bring up his chest and open the cockpit. Just bring the head in there. Close that back up and bring this all the way up forward. Bring these down to here. Bring the forearms like that. Bring the legs forward like that. Put these back towards that way. Extend this piece here. Flatten that out. there we go. There's a hinge right here that's got to go forward to give the clearance for this. So that these pegs can go into those slots. And then you flatten these pieces out like this, like this. There's a peg and a hole right there that they plug into each other. Just like that. I feel like that's backward. Anyway, you hold these out. And the rocket launchers can like either peg right here or they can peg in there. There. I think I like them like that better. This rotor's gonna move decent enough, but they don't spin that long. And you can see the gold on the wings and the Autobot symbols there and there. The tailpiece can either be open like that, or they can be closed. Either way, there's a vent. So it's pretty good helicopter mode. And of course the landing gear, which is kind of off center and doesn't make sense for it to be there. It should be the other way around, shouldn't it? Feels like it's wrong. At pretty good helicopter mode, if I say so myself. I'm going to go ahead and put him in his back into his robot mode, and I'll see you guys in just a moment.